है गाइस, जैसा कि आप लोगों ने अभी देखा कि वहाँ पे लगी थी आग, तो हम लोगों ने उसे पता करने के लिए हम चले जाते हैं दिल्ली की ओर। तो चलिए ब्लॉग में सबको दिखाता हूँ कि क्या होने वाला है और क्या हो रहा है। जाने के बाद तो मैं रोड पर चढ़ कर आ जाता हूँ इस तरफ। तो देख सकते हो जो स्मोक है वो ऑल अराउंड द विलेज जा रहा है, तो उसी की पता करने और मैं आ चुका था इस तरफ जो पहाड़ की तरफ जाता है ये रास्ता। और ये बिल्डिंग भी पहाड़ के ऊपर जो है बनी है, तो भी देख सकते हो आप लोग भी। मैं जा रहा हूँ, वी आर 3 मेंबर्स इन अ बाइक। तो गाइस देख सकते हो अभी मैं आ चुका हूँ ऊपर की ओर। तो देख गाइस जहाँ मैं पहले दूर डाल देख सकते हो यहाँ पे हम दिखाता हूँ हाउ द स्मोक इज।
So hey guys, finally we are here. So as you can watch here, something is melting there, and the fire is inside the building, and so we came inside here to watch. As you can watch this place, as you know, on first I was providing the milk here, as you know. So you can see this is the place, and the fire is around all the building, and inside that building in the middle, as you can see the smoke. However, it is going to over my village. Guys, as you can watch there, it's like a snake which opens its mouth, and the smoke is around all the building. As you can watch, this is a prestige. Nobody is worried about that. Yeah, and you can watch here. No one is caring about that, and people are enjoying themselves, and no one is like careless. Hey guys, तो फाइनली हम लोग यहाँ पे आ चुके हैं। देख सकते हो ये बिल्डिंग जो है पूरी की पूरी जो है काली पड़ गई है। अभी देख सकते हो, सामने जा जाओ, देख सकते हो इट्स लुकिंग लाइक समथिंग मीन्स हाउ द लेबर विल पेंट द बिल्डिंग, एंड इट्स लुकिंग लाइक दैट एज यू कैन वॉच इट। द पुष्पराज एंड राज पुष्पा ऑल्सो हियर गाइस इन द होल बिल्डिंग ब्रो। सो गाइस एज यू कैन वॉच देयर द फायर ब्रिगेड इज ऑल्सो हियर, as you can see there beside there. Guys, as you can see that the police were also here. See the whole building. Hey guys, once again the fire brigade is coming soon, as you can see. Guys, this is came something fucking different, bro. As you can see here, the whole public who were surrounding of us, and they all are here, and they are worried about, and everyone is capturing the video and the footage, as you can see here. And you can see the tankers are coming one by one. My home, see, this is the my home and the prestige also. As you can see, again one tanker is coming soon. Bro, even no one knows how the fire came out. And hey guys, I was just now I asked to do the security, and he was saying that someone was working and with the spark of it fall to the thermocol, and the fire dust came all around the building, and that was the reason. There was an office, and in the office there was a thermocol. Because of it, the fire, even though people doesn't go to their family if anyone dies also, you know, as and the people saw. Hey guys, you can see the marketing office because of the reason, that was the reason. The thermocol was inside of it and the sparkle goes to the waterfall in the thermocol and the fire was boom, as you can see. Guys, the situation is not in control, so the water tank is going on. As you can see, the peoples are, see, the engineers are hurrying up, so it's going on, as you can see. I think it doesn't finish the fire and it's going on. I thought it was a prestige, you know. Guys, as you can see this, and there is a beautiful, wow. Guys, and this is the place, what the hell man. This is a heaven, bro. As you can watch these buildings, it will be like mostly in games and Free Fire this mostly, and this is the place where the people used to be a stunt for a movie or something else. As you can watch this, and this is the road, and this is the all over the place of my guys. You can watch, guys. This is the moment which I am capturing in my, what the hell, and as you know, I'll show the, I will mention the ID. Whose name is Amit Sharma, sir. See, as you can see, the super bikes come here and super cars also come here. The people sir came to fly the kites, and you can see the kite is somewhere else. Wow, the hell man! What a view! It's a very fantastic, you know. Guys, it's too crazy, man. It's too crazy, yeah. And this is on Gandipet, as you know. I'll mention you the location also in description. Guys, oh, what the? This place is gonna be famous on some days. Bro, as you can see, the reflection is on my face. Wow. Exactly. This is the moment. What the hell? See, all around me. Wow. It's true means absolutely beautiful and gorgeous, you know. Guys, and we are going to home. So the problem was solved by the police and the fire brigade. And we have enjoyed the moment, as you can see here. It's an absolutely wow. And also I didn't decided to do any vlog and something, and this was an accidentally the vlog came out, guys. That was Hyundai Creta, driving it as supercar, but bro, it's not a supercar. That was a Jaguar. See guys, MSNO. This is an other marketing office. That's a main office where I used to be provide the milk.
And as you can see, guys, the peoples are enjoying with their wines and vodka and something else, and they are sharing each other the feelings and they are enjoying the happy moment.
Hey guys, my battery is around 20%. It's gonna be die. See, the bat is also playing a single, and the moon. Wow, a beautiful moon is and I was just dropped up on the bridge, and I was into the home. This is a beautiful moment, as you can watch now. See, with the moon and with a single star. As you know, in Hyderabad there is a place which is named as Madhapur. As you know, the riders used to be like in this time they will used to race there, and there will be a craze on this time. And mostly I observe here the people used to come through this road also. And when I will be in a sleep mode, I used to hear the sound, and it will be feel like something going to heaven, bro. Hey guys, this is my heaven where I used to live. So finally we are here. So guys, the moment is also here, and I'll show you the building. See guys, that's the building where we all went. Oh wow, Chanda Mamu was also here. So guys, bye bye. Meet you in another vlog. So be with me, and guys, be with me.